Good evening, everybody. So now we're going to go down to the ice skating show. It's going to start in about maybe 20 minutes, so we're going to go down there and get some seats, and we're going to enjoy that. Always like the ice skating show. They get ice skaters from around the world basically to do these shows, and they are working on many rinks to do some of these tricks that they would normally use a regular size rink for. So I think it's pretty spectacular if they can do that on a moving ship. So that's what we're going to do now, having a good time, and I guess we'll see you when we get down there.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We will make a sound out in the dark where no one sees us. The electricity between us. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We will make a sound. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. Under the frozen light, we are a picture of the thousand nights. We won't come down, 'cause we shine so bright.
Oh my God, you just saw some of the best ice skating on a ship you will ever see. The amount of talent that is on the Navigator is just amazing. I've seen many of the ice skating shows, and this was by far the best ice skating show. They're just amazing. So if you do come on Navigator, I really recommend you getting a front row seat and seeing this show.
And those drones.
Yeah, this show is just unbelievable. So, hi everybody. So it's 11 o'clock, and I think we're going to be going to bed. We spent some time in the piano bar and the schooner bar. Some good music. The singer has a beautiful voice. It's like butter. Great time today. Right now the casino is completely packed. The promenade is getting packed because they're getting ready for the 70s party. We had dinner, had a great dinner tonight, and they're playing a movie upstairs on the deck, but it starts at what time? 11:15?
11:10.
11:10.
It's 11:13 right now.
This child's going to bed. So yeah, it's been a great day. It's really nice being back on Royal Caribbean ships. They're just kind of special. The people that are aboard these ships, that work on these ships, are super nice, super friendly, super courteous. They really enjoy that you're on the ship, and it's really refreshing to see that after the last 2 cruises that we've done. Tomorrow we have nothing really planned, but I really want to try to take a tour of all the activities that are on board. We're going to be in Nassau, but we're not going to go to Nassau. We're going to go in the city. We're going to stay on the cruise ship here. But I want to try to cover some of the activities that are on board this ship. This ship has so much to offer. In a 3-day cruise, you just can't do it all. There's no way. This size ship, the Navigator, the Liberty, and the Mariner are really my favorite size ship. I think they are easily walkable. I love the promenade area in these ships. The deck on this ship that they redid is spectacular. Anybody who hasn't cruised this ship before, you will absolutely love this. We went and saw the ice skating show tonight called iSkate. And it was probably the best ice skating show that we've ever seen on this ship. When the show starts out, they started out with a bunch of drones, and it was just amazing how beautiful that it was. So the skaters were terrific, but yeah, wonderful time so far. I think you will enjoy this ship, and I guess we're gonna say goodnight tonight, so we'll see you tomorrow.